Hello, Professor. The topic of my presentation is carbon neutrality research, hotspots, and evolution trend. Carbon neutrality is an important issue related to solving global environmental problems, promoting national economic development, and promoting social sustainable development. In this paper, Chinese and English literatures published by English and foreign scholars from 1991 to 2021 are taken as the research objects, and the information visualization software site space is used to review the research status and the development trend of carbon neutrality at home and abroad from the aspects of time distribution, spatial distribution, alluvial map of research hotspots, keywords co-occurrence map, and keyword cluster map. The results shows that from the perspective of time, the evolution of carbon neutrality at home and abroad can be divided into three stages: embryonic stage, development stage, and proper stage. After entering the 21st century, the number of articles on carbon neutrality has increased rapidly. At present, the research on carbon neutrality is an proper pair. In 2021, the research on carbon neutrality in China showed an explosive growth. More scholars pay attention to the research on carbon neutrality, and the research in this field has broad prospects. Research institutions and research directions are showing a trend of multipolarization. In terms of national distribution and international cooperation, research on carbon neutrality is mainly concentrated in the United States, China, Britain, Spain, Italy, and other countries, mainly in universities and research institutes, such as Chinese Academy of Science, Tsinghua University, China Academy of Science University, and Aalto University. Research journals are mostly concentrated in this field of energy, economy, production, and environment, and the top three journals with published articles are Journal of Cleaner Production, Sustainability, and Applied Energy. From the research hotspots, focusing on three major scientific issues: basic research, dynamic monitoring, and evaluation, technology research and development, and application, policy design and roadmap. Carbon neutrality research is mainly carried out from hotspots such as carbon footprint, energy, carbon capture and storage technology, life cycle assessment, carbon trading market, and global governance. From the perspective of keywords clustering and the research on carbon neutrality can be clustered into four themes from three levels: individual attitude and the behavior of carbon neutrality technology, carbon market, and carbon financial system, policy guidance, and global governance. This paper shows out the connotation and the research progress of each topic. Summarizes the research hotspots and the evolution trend of carbon neutrality, and provides theoretical reference from China is to achieve the goal of carbon neutrality. Conclusion: the enlightenment from China is that we should focus on four aspects: international cooperation, discipline integration, carbon neutral technology, and carbon trading market. First is international cooperation. China can learn from other countries' carbon neutral policy systems and actively explore a carbon-neutral route in line with Chinese national conditions. Universities and research institutes can cooperate with international institutions to solve common problems on the road to carbon neutrality. Actively promote the integration of disciplines with the further development of research, and the realization of carbon neutrality will initiative require the full cooperation of various industries and fields, as well as the cross cooperation within and between disciplines.